brown sugar, guys. Okay, now just start mixing it with the spatula like this. Okay, since this is a chocolate cake, I'm gonna add 1/3 cup of cocoa powder. 1/3 cup of cocoa powder. Oh, you can also use normal sugar if you would like, and if you want it to be unhealthy. And you have to add 3/4 cup of chocolate chips. I use the white ones and the brown one. Or is it black? Maybe brown, maybe black. Now mix it very well. Add 1 teaspoon of baking soda and then mix well. Put aside. Take another bowl and then put 1 egg cracked. Put the yolk of 1 egg in. Just put the whole egg. I did not mean yolk. I thought yolk meant the goldeny part, not only the yellowy part. Okay, now. Now add half cup of milk. And I'm warning you, this is not chocolate milk. It looks like it because we accidentally put some cocoa powder. And add 1 cup of yogurt. Now whisk it with the beater. Now mix well. Done. Before we mix this, preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Put the ointment batter thingy that you made and then pour it in your other big bowl. Then mix very well. It's gonna be yummy, guys. I already tasted it, but I didn't taste it with the chocolate chips. And the first time I made it was yesterday, and I'm the only one who even worked. I didn't get any help. No one helped me. And I made it up with no chocolate chips, but it was yummy. I was the only one who did all the work. No one else did any work. To make it more yummy, I'm adding more white chocolate chips. Then mix well. I tasted the white chocolate chip. It is like the best. Fold. Now mix the white chocolate chips well with the batter. Well, you can also do the normal chocolate chips instead of the white chocolate chips. Okay, we have this pan. I don't know, that's greased. I'm gonna put this in. Well, I will bake it and then I will eat it. Our oven is now preheated. Now we just have to put this in the oven, which is hard. Now we have to close it and wait. And after 20 minutes, put a toothpick, or if you don't have a toothpick, use a fork to check. And if it comes out clearly, then it's perfect. If it comes out with it's with creamy stuff, that means it's not ready. Let's make it after 20 minutes. The cake is ready, so now I'm gonna cut it. Okay guys, this is literally so yummy. Must try. After you eat it, tell me on the comments below if you loved it. Hope this works out well, good, very good for you, and I'll see you on my next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment, and that's it. Bye.